Come in.
What are you doing, Father?
I was reading the newspaper.
May I know what is written?
Yes, you can know. So, see, here is written there was a girl who lived in a village. Her father was a farmer and her mother was a housekeeper. She grew up in this village, and now she is a doctor. She read books in the lamp light because in her house there was no light. Now a doctor. So if you study like this, you will also be a doctor one or achieve your goal. So now what you want to do?
I want to say that today I have gone to play cricket with my friends, and one of them said me that I have phone, do you have phone? And then all are saying I have phone, but do you have? I said no, so I also want a phone.
So why do you need phone? You have a computer.
Phone because if you will go to office, who will switch on the computer?
There is your mother.
If mother is busy in her housework and suddenly ma'am told to do online classes,
So your elder brother is there.
My elder brother has to go to tuition. So how can he switch on the computer?
You don't have your classes now. Durga Puja is coming and you have your school vacation.
The school vacation is going on, but tomorrow is my last class, and that has happened 4 times.
So okay, I will be there tomorrow for you.
But you have to also go midnight work.
I will go to work tonight because your classes will be in the morning.
No, my work class will be at 6 o'clock.
Okay, then I will.
Morning, and the last class will be happen at 10:30 night.
Okay, then I will be there. I will take a day off. There's no problem.
No, don't take the day off. You buy me a phone and that is okay, because I have to also play games when I will be bored in this puja vacation.
No, it's not the age to have a phone.
But what I will do, I couldn't switch on the computer and play games and do online classes. You will take off for the online classes, but what will be about my games?
See now, it's not the age to play games and you will be addicted to it if you...
No, I will not addicted because I will only download the game of a cannon.
No. I will give you a phone I will give you my phone for 5 minutes to play games. Then it will be right because it's puja vacation. So we also have holidays for some days. So you could play games if you are bored for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
No, I want for half an hour.
Okay, then take it for my phone only.
But all of my friends have their own smartphone. But I didn't have. I have to also see them.
You are now a little kid. You do not need a smartphone. And when your age will be more, their time you will need a phone. That time I will buy you a phone.
But all of my friends, they are more little than me. How could they get the smartphone?
Their father is spoiling them and their parents are spoiling them. When they will be grown up, then they will be nothing but addicted to the game.
But I want a phone because I have to. But I also have to see them, otherwise they will do like today only.
They will do nothing if I tell them. They will always listen to me. You know, when I go to your friends, they always listen to me.
But after you come from there, they again do their works.
Shall I ask them? You can ask. So, why do you need a phone so badly? You are in your age. That time I didn't got a phone. I just have to study and play outdoor games, not in mobile games.
I know that, but all of my friends have phone and they also advise me, but I tell no. But today they make fun of me and they also tell you not have phone. Why?
Just tell them that you are not spoiled like them and you are from a good family. Tell them this and see, they will never tease you again.
Oh, thank you.